And this is Ken Kreitzer in Mahwah, New Jersey at the WCBS 880 Small Business Breakfast. And I have a chance to talk with one of the gentlemen who's with the sponsoring organization of today's event, the United States Postal Service, and talking with Matthew Aaron, who's a postmaster here in New Jersey. And tell us a little bit about the event today. Why was the U.S. Postal Service sponsoring the Small Business Breakfast?
Good morning, Ken. It's a pleasure to be here and to give you this interview. The Postal Service, we're pitching a new product called Every Door Direct, which it helps small businesses reach out to specific customers by demographics, income. Rather than getting a mailing list, now you can pick out your clients, whoever you would like to reach out to, and just mail to those customers for a minimum price of only 17.5 cents per item.
Well, that's an important opportunity for small businesses. One of the things kind of talked about by several of the speakers is the importance of continuing to do direct mail programs because there's less mail in people's mailboxes, so everything gets read. Is that something that you see happening in small businesses, the opportunity to be visible through using direct mail?
Oh, without a doubt, because small businesses need customers. And what better way to reach customers than picking out your customers, who you want, rather than wasting money on people who aren't going to pay attention to what the service that you have to offer. You can save money this way. You don't need a mailing list, as I said. You don't need addresses. All you need is to go on our website, USPS.com, and you can hit EDDM, which is Every Door Direct Mailing in the search engine, and we have a phenomenal website. It's very user-friendly, and what it does, as I stated, you can pick Mahwah, New Jersey. You can pick Paterson, New Jersey. If you're looking for a specific demographic or a specific age group or race or income bracket, the Postal Service has already done the research for you, and they can zero in on those individuals that you're looking to seek out to be your new customer.
One of the things that we see beneficial for small businesses, certainly in our communities, and even the smaller banks, credit unions, are sending out postcards with information about products, services, and events. What's involved with sending out a postcard mailing for a small business?
Well, with EDDM, it's cheaper. A postcard is 38 cents, and we can cut that cost in half, and you can use the same information you have on your postcard. You can come to the Postal Service with that print, and you can mail it out to whoever you want at half the price.
Absolutely, a great opportunity. And Matthew Aaron, United States Postal Service, just tell us a little bit about your career in the Postal Service, leading to the role of being a postal manager.
Well, I have 25 years of service to the Postal Service. The Postal Service is a great organization to work for. And in this economy, it's a very secure job. As I said, the Postal Service has never laid off an employee. So if you want a career, the Postal Service is the way to go. Unfortunately, when I started 25 years ago, the salary was a little different. Now, the Postal Service is hiring, by the way, but it's on what's called like a part-time basis, even though you're working 6 days a week. My job is the postmaster of Madison, and what I do is, like yourself, I go out to small businesses in the banking industry, and the Fulton Bank, which is in our town, they just opened up, and they had some great opportunities in terms of lending and the, what do you call it, line of credit, and they wanted to get that information out to the people in the town. So I met with the bank manager, and she had a little pamphlet, and what we did was we mailed out those things, and she received plenty of new clients behind the Postal Service.
And Matthew Aaron, one of the things that we admire so much about the Postal Service is that you deliver in every type of weather. And this winter, there was so much bad weather, blizzards and cold. How do you motivate your delivery people to go out there every day in all the harsh climate that we had this winter?
It's funny that you say that because I'm a human being first, although we all have a job, and it's tough out there. And sometimes the customers really believe that mantra that in rain, sleet, or snow. But as I tell my employees, safety first. So if it's unsafe, we try to make every attempt possible, but we don't want to put our employees in harm's way either. So we just hope the customers understood that if they couldn't get the mail and how important it is to shovel their sidewalks and steps.
Absolutely. Matthew Aaron, Postmaster, United States Postal Service from Madison, New Jersey. Thank you. Great to see you, and thank you for all that you do with your staff delivering the mail.
Ken, it's been a pleasure, and thank you for this interview.
Thank you. This is Ken Kreitzer at the WCBS 880 Small Business Breakfast in Mahwah, New Jersey.